Hello friends, welcome back once again to Excel learning series. Today we are going to learn about date function. Here we have some data like date, time and sales made from 2020 to 2021. Okay, and then we are going to extract the year, month, day, hour, minute, second, weekday and so on from this data. Karigumba nangi Excel gi sheet to the koigi date yaramaba time yaramaba the tonga naina chahi tha numit adagi pung piram basidana koigi hour minute second aduga piriba date sidagi aina karamba se 4th December 2020 haris 4th December se kari numit oigyo weekday gi Friday oibra Monday oibra natraga ahan numit oibra ani suba numit oibra ko ade week number chahi amada khoi 52 weeks laiko ado 52 weeks ki manungda December ki tang mari se karamba week ta chali 51 da chalibra 50 da chalibra ko adugi puthoke haragadi we have to use this function. There are some functions of date, so let's calculate how to find out the date, year, month as well. Okay, so first thing, year puthoke haragadi is very simple, one of the simplest formula. As you put tamme amse quite simple ni ko and year puthoke hai sida adum magi function so year na adum oire so is equal to year. See the serial number and argument ama khattane ino pass tawdisi ko karino tawdisa sigi date si tawdini is the period for December 2020 cp deni now I have to select this one. Okay, bracket close, that's it. 2020 is here 2020 ni abdu putores degi ko so maina atopa sisu putoke just double click and you will get all the year from the date. If we want to take extract the month, then the formula is equal to month. All right, and same we have to pass the date. So date is here in the cell A1, A2. Just copy it, give the reference, bracket close, and month. The month is here for December, so December is here. All right, let's copy it. So December, January the one the like. February 2 the lie, and March is also here 3. And now we have to find out the day formula. D is equal to day bracket serial number same as that. Okay, bracket close. Now it is the fourth day of the month. All right, so here it is 4th December, so day is 4th. Let's copy it to all cell, double click, and we got all the day of the dates. Okay, now we are going to extract the hour from this time. The time si pung baro ni pi si ko do ko na pung baro si pi si de ko hour do ko pi aba second ya on the minute ya on the so the formula is hour. Serial number also here we will take this one. All right, so 12 hours, same thing, we will copy it here, everything is coming. And a minute is equal to minute serial number here, minute is 0 means 12 exact 12 near the minute 0 like. Then copy it, so 11:35 is here, 5:34 is here. All right, now here we don't have any second. See the second ki value se am yaw de ko see the 15 yaw ri ko yeng si ko the yaw de 0 adak si de view formula bar da ko see height to bagi ni ko pena sigi formatting se height to ra tham bagi ni ko format se change story yeng si control 1 then see the hour ga minute ka khak put bagi ni the pyramid se ko. So if we want to show the second also, then we can select this one. All right, that it will show you the second also here, except the first one we don't have any second. Okay, so let's just put second something here, 45 second. All right, and something here 12 second. All right, so let's find out the second here. Second, then so it's a 15 second. Second yaw the basing the 0 la ni ko so 0 la second yaw the basing the samadan the like. So it is very simple. And now here weekday 4 December 2020 here is a kari numit no. Let's find out first from the date here. Date 2020 ko December. 4 December is a Friday, right? Here it is Friday. So let's see if it comes Friday or not. The function is weekday. Then we will pass the date and we have to select a return type. If we don't select karigumbina return types is select the by default one by default one one have the country week numbers week days country week ki ahanba numit si Sunday dagi haweba aduga Saturday da loyeba country kharadana Monday dagi hawi Sunday da loyeba country kharadana Friday dagi hawi ko aduga Thursday da loyeba. Say suppose 15 si khan taragadi aina sida 15 ni taragadi it will start the Monday Friday will be the 1 first day is 1 oineba. India gi system gi matung inna ekogidi Sunday dagi hawi ko first day is Sunday ni, so let's put it Sunday 1. So Sunday is 1 oitaragadi Sunday lere 1 Monday Tuesday Wednesday Thursday Friday 6 days is Friday ni. So here it is coming 6 habidi 4 December is a week to gi taruk ni suba numit ni hai do sida koi Friday na tholak tribisi thwan na ba to perform la mai koi sinabam darkar lai ko do han bada weekday du kha khana pudo vise ba. So weekday si pudo hai ato pasalo ro pudo no bidamakta. Let's copy it all cells. Now we get all the weekdays. Si 7 ni sina third day of the week, fourth day of the week, sixth day of the week. Sidadi akogi 1 2 ina numerical la ado koina week name ide Mondays, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and min thwaning taragadi we have to use another function called switch. Lesson number 22 da ko singarangi sigi video sidi yango switch kama sinage hojik so halaga tawgani adu switch function sinaraga ekoina days du pudhon bi aiba adu switch function ka bai sinani. Let's say switch okay switch are expression भी दोषी कहीं नो सीधा like value ने expression है बस 6 निकाल लेके दो. If 6 is going to compare with all these values, the value one कहीं नो 1 होता है अगर दी Sunday, 2 होता है अगर दी Tuesday, Monday, 3 होता है अगर दी Tuesday. The comma am wala record ira tolling 3 the comma am go pido then comma 4 oitargadi Wednesday 5 oitargadi Thursday 6 oitargadi comma Friday 7 oitargadi Saturday. All right, then bracket close. All right, let's see. So 6 oy given in a Friday neighbor, 7 oita adi kari warani Saturday oy neighbor, 3 oita aragadi kari warani Tuesday oy neighbor. So let's copy all this formula to the rest of the cells. See, we have changed the week number into week name. Week name the thole ko sa once ago week number to put up week day to put up darkani week do put home the switch function sin naraga week name do koina day name do koina put up week name the day name haita name of the day. All right, now let's find out the week number. So week number ki formula di kari no week num hai ni ka week number in plug hoiro week num okay, and we have to just give the date. All right. So 49th week of the year neba. Chahi amada koi week yankhaini thoi lei ko. Di mayam loina khangna raba ko ni. Week yankhaini thoi dugi manungda 49 suba week neba se. For December 2020 as a 49 suba week neba. Now 50 suba, 51 suba. 15 December se 51 suba neba. Then fourth week. Fourth suba koi 9 January gi week ni se ko. The number 5 suba, 6 suba sumela automatically. So this is how we can calculate, we can extract the year, month, day, hour, minute, second, week, day, and week number from any given date or any given time. And that's it for this lecture. Mathangi chapter please give a like, comment, and please do subscribe, and also please do share the video to your friends through your WhatsApp and any channel which you have. Nangi laiba channel da namanaba singda share to view maximum me sing khang jausanu hai jausanu o ai koi khakta lairaga khanga ga yapna ta du intention da ne video semi basisu mayam da reach out to dri ai tantana reach out to ba ngamoi mayam gi through da reach out to bodo bani. So share to your friends, your circle, and let's learn and let's grow together. Thank you. Bye bye.